Trump and Paramount's legal showdown over 60 Minutes settlement. President Trump demands an apology and over $100 million from CBS News for editing claims. The lawsuit involves deceptive editing of an interview with Kamala Harris, Trump's 2024 opponent. Trump's settlement request is significantly higher than previous legal disputes with other companies. Paramount Global faces a tough decision: pay Trump or fight back in court. The outcome could reshape media relations and future interviews with political figures. Stay updated on the latest news. Subscribe to our channel.